explorers! Welcome back to AG Updates. Let's see what's shaking the world today. Today we are talking about a massive space rock that scientists are calling the City Destroyer. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, we'll explain everything. Should we be afraid of an asteroid hitting Earth? Or are scientists already working on a plan? Let's find out. A long time ago, about 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was born. But like every big project, there were some leftovers. These leftovers are called asteroids, giant space rocks that float around the sun, just like planets do. Millions of them live in a special neighborhood called the asteroid belt, which is between Mars and Jupiter. But sometimes things in space don't stay where they should. When an asteroid gets pushed out of the belt, it can start moving towards Earth. And that's exactly what's happening now. Scientists recently spotted a new asteroid called 2024 YR4. And guess what? It's heading straight in our direction. Now, before you start packing for Mars, here's what you need to know. This asteroid is between 40 to 100 meters wide. That's as tall as a 30-story building. Scientists have predicted that in December 2032, this giant rock will come very close to Earth. There's a small chance it would hit us. But how small? Right now, scientists say that the impact is only 3%. That means there's a 97% chance it will miss us completely. Still, if it didn't hit Earth, it would be a small bump. The explosion would be equal to 8 million tons of TNT. That's 500 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped over Hiroshima. And that's why the internet has named it the City Destroyer. But here's where things get really interesting. While National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or very known NASA, and European Space Agency called the ESA are watching the asteroid closely, China is taking action. They are also concerned about the risk that they've started building something called a Planetary Defense Force. What is it that you ask? It's a term of scientists whose job is to track dangerous asteroids, warn people if one gets too close, and even try to stop them from hitting Earth. China has already started teaching young scientists for this project. They're looking for experts in asteroid tracking, aerospace engineering, and space technology. But here's the catch. Only people who fully support the Chinese government can apply. The part might sound a little strange, but hey, that's how they're doing things. Now you probably are wondering, how can you stop an asteroid? Well, scientists have a plan. It's called the kinetic kick. Imagine you're playing soccer and the ball is rolling towards you. Instead of letting it hit you, you kick it away. That's exactly what NASA's plans is to do, but in space. In 2022, NASA tested this idea with the DART mission, Double Asteroid Redirection Test. They sent a small spacecraft to crash into an asteroid just to see if it could push it off course. And guess what? It worked. The asteroid moved. That means if we ever need to deflect a real asteroid, we already know how to do it. Right now, NASA and ESA are keeping an eye on 2024 YR4. In March, the James Webb Space Telescope will take super close-up pictures to measure its size and path. If it looks like it's heading our way, scientists might start preparing for a real-life asteroid deflect mission. But should we be worried? Nope. While a 3% chance sounds like something to watch, it's still really small. Scientists say that many asteroids seem dangerous at first, but after more tracking, we usually find out they'll miss Earth completely. Right now, scientists will keep watching 2024 YR4 until April and then check on it again in 2028 when it gets closer. So what do you think? Should we be building more asteroid defense systems, or do you think the City Destroyer will just pass by us? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome updates. Stay curious, stay safe and see you soon.